The stitch that changed the world. The sewing machine revolution. Before the hum of machines, there was silence. Just the whisper of thread through cloth. For centuries, every stitch was made by hand, slow, sacred, and often unseen. A single shirt could take 14 hours to sew. A dress, days. For working-class women, sewing wasn't the hobby, it was survival. In 1846, an American inventor named Elias Howe had an idea. What if a machine could sew faster than any hand? What if the needle could move on its own? But while Howe struggled to sell his invention, another man, Isaac Singer, saw the future. He improved the design and claimed it as his own. A bitter legal battle followed. Howe won, but Singer, he won the market. Soon, sewing machines filled factories. Rows of women stitched under gaslight, 12 hours a day, 6 days a week. The hum of progress was deafening. Fashion was no longer just for the elite. The sewing machine birthed ready-to-wear, clothes for the masses. Style became accessible. Identity became wearable. From Paris to Lagos, Mumbai to New York, the sewing machine reshaped economies, empowered women, and stitched new stories into every hem. But progress came at a price. Sweatshops, child labor, the devaluation of handcraft. The same machine that liberated also exploited. Today, the sewing machine is more than a tool. It's a symbol of resilience, of reinvention, of the hands that refuse to be erased. Every stitch tells a story of mothers, of makers, of movements. What will yours say?